Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in this video we'll be learning about practical task 5.2 challenge activities. So recap, what did we learn in our previous videos? It's all about data validation, difference between proofing and proofreading. So data validation, it's ensuring the data entered into the system if it meets the rules, if it meets certain criteria or standards. So we also learned about the difference between proofreading and proofing. We learned how to add the drop down box in Excel, how to give the data validation rules for the date format. So let's see what challenge activities are all about. You can also perform validation on numbers, time, and more. The concept is the same. It has been decided that only students between the ages of 14 and 18 can stay in the boarding houses. The rest of the students are either too young or too old to live in the houses. So using a software package, open the spreadsheet file, register underscore update saved in the practical 5.2 practice activity. So this is the updated file. It consists of 5 columns with first name, last name, gender, boarding house, and data enroll. And we have applied data validation rules for these 3 columns. For gender, boarding house, drop down, and date enroll, we've applied the date rules, the format check. So this is M. We are done with L. M in cell F1, enter the heading student age. So this is F1 and let's add student age. Let's extend this. And in cells F2 to F7, restrict the data to accept only the ages between 14 and 18 inclusive. So let's select this. Data validation, settings, and its whole number between, and the minimum value is 14 and the maximum value is 18 if I'm not wrong. So it's 15 and 18. So what happens, the error message would be enter the age shall be in between 14 to 18. So give the user a meaningful message if they enter a invalid age. So and then we are going to test the validation rules using normal, abnormal, extreme data. So normal means within the range, abnormal outside the range, and extreme data which lies on the boundary, that is 14 and 18. So save the spreadsheet with the file name register underscore final. So let's see, we have applied the validation rule. Let's try to add, let's try to test for abnormal, which is either below 14 years or above 18 years. So let me 19. So it's throwing an error. Age should be in between 14 to 18. So let's check below 14. So that is 12. So it's throwing again an error. Age should be in between 14 to 18. So this is for abnormal test. We have done the testing for abnormal check. So now let's do the normal check. Normal check means it will lie within the range. So let's say 15. So it will take, it's not throwing an error. It's letting me enter the values. It is 16. So extreme range which falls on the boundary, that is 14 and 18. So 14, it's extreme range. And 18, it's also extreme range, so it's letting in. And that should be it. 12, 13, it throws an error. Retry. Let's give it 14 again. And another one, maybe 17. So this is about range check. There are normal range test. So under testing, there is normal check, abnormal check, extreme data test, and also live data. Normal, abnormal, extreme data test, and live data. So save the spreadsheet with the file name register underscore final. So that you all can do it. Go to file, save as register underscore final. I hope we are clear with the data validation, proofreading, and proofing. Thank you.